Okay, so in this short video what we're doing is I ran some material. It was a combination of some dirt that I brought back from the stream and also cleaned out the back of the mule where we're bringing all the rocks back down the mountain and they beat each other up and break, and every once in a while I'll find gold in the bottom of it, and this time we did as well. So it's kind of hard to see it in this picture, but the main goal I wanted to show you guys in this video is I wanted to show you how nicely the Gold Shark cleaning table gets the gold clean. So this is how I used to do it. I'd put it in here, and there's always a little bit of residue. Now you're starting to see some gold in there. There's a little bit of residue in the bottom of these pans, so it's really hard to get that remaining pieces of rust and dirt out of your gold at the end when you go to waste. So here we're just going to give it a quick dry. Just turn my burner on. It's not warmed up yet, so I'm not going to make you sit through this. I just want you to see every single step.